Hi, how are you? Today I want to talk about differentiation formula with function values. So we are going to write formulas that you can use in forward differences, backward differences, and central differences. And so we have the list below shows some differentiation formulae or formulas for use in numerical computation. So we are going to start with for forward. So number one, we have forward differences. And in forward differences, we have four formulas. We have number A, which is y of xi. You can use this formula for forward difference. We have y I plus 1 minus y I divided by h, that is 1. Then you have B, you can use this formula. We have y xi is equals to negative y I plus 2 plus 4 y plus 1 minus 3 y divided by 2h, then you multiply by oh squared. That is B. Then you have C, which is y prime xi is equals to y I minus 2 y I plus 1 plus y I plus 2 divided by h squared. Then we have the last one in forward difference. We have y prime xi is equals to negative y I plus 3 plus 4 y I plus 2. Then you have minus 5 y I plus 1 plus 2 y I. Then you divide by h squared. That is for forward difference. Then we have backward. We have number 2, backward differences. We have the following formulas. We have A, we have y xi is equals to y I minus y I minus 1 divided by h. Then we have B, we have y xi is equals to 3 y I minus 4 y I minus 1 plus y I minus 2. Okay, then we have C, which is y prime xi is equals to y I minus 2 yi minus 1 plus yi minus 2 divided by h squared. Then we have the last one for backward difference. We have y prime xi is equals to 2yi minus 5yi plus 1 plus 4yi minus 2 minus yi minus 3 divided by h squared. Then the last one, we have number 3 for central differences. Formulas for central differences. So we have y xi is equals to y, we have I plus 1 minus y I minus 1 divided by 2h. Then we have b y xi is equals to negative y I plus 2 minus 8 y I plus 1 minus 8y I minus 1 plus y I minus 2 divided by 12h. Then we have c, which is y prime xi is equals to y I minus 1 minus 2y I plus y I plus 1 divided by h squared. Then we have the last one in central differences. We are talking about central differences. We are giving formulas that you can use while tackling differential or numerical computation by central differences. So the last one we have y prime xi is equals to negative y I plus 2 plus 16 y I plus 1 minus 30 y I plus 16 y I minus 1 minus y I minus 2 divided by 12h squared. All of these formulas, starting from the forward differences, backward differences, then we have the central differences, can be derived using Taylor's formula. In the next lesson, we learn how to use these formulas.